Hi everybody, it's October, and that means it's kind of like challenge month out there for all of us artists. I don't know if you've seen the number of challenges that are going up, but there's a couple of them that I'm interested in. One is from Brigitte Koopson, and hers is a 31-day challenge of products. And yeah, do I have 31 products? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. And what I'm going to do for that is I have a big canvas, and I'm going to work on that canvas. I'm just looking at inks now because yeah, okay. The canvas, I have a big canvas. I'm going to put all 31 products onto that canvas and create something with that. However, there's another challenge out there, which is Inktober, which many of you know about. And so I'm going to be using inks for that. And that's 31 days of ink from Jake Parker. And I don't think there are any prompts this year. At least I haven't found any. But I want to use, let's see, oh, I like that gold. I want to use some of these inks that I haven't really had a lot to do with since I got them. So I'm going to play with these. I think I'm going to start off with this FW pearlescent one and see what it does. Or I could just go with this Liquitex. Let's do the Liquitex first. We'll use the pearlescence later on. So I have this Strathmore watercolor paper. It's 48 pages, so I know I have enough pages. And this is a brand new book. I have a book that I started with some things last year, and you know, it's just, it didn't have enough pages, so I'll finish this up doing something else, but I'm going to start a brand new book for this. So what I want to do for the first day is I want to just get some ink down, and I think I want, oh dear, I think I want to use a little bit just straight out this way and do a bit of sketchy drawing. Then I want to get a water brush, water reservoir brush. So let me find one of those. Okay, so I have a number of different brushes out here. I think I want to, I'm going to start with this, is an Arteza one. It's kind of a medium point, and I'm just going to, you know, move some of that ink with that water reservoir brush. Just because I want to play with it and see what it does. Okay, and now I want to come back with my little dauber here. I just want to make marks. Playing with the ink. And we'll let that be and dry. So that's my first day with ink. And we'll come back and do something again later once this is dry. But I want to have some backgrounds in this book. You know, I'm not sure where I'm going to go with this, but my intention is to just play. So I have my black gesso, which is this, and I have painted out my large canvas, and tomorrow I will do something more with that. So I hope you are doing some challenges this month, or creating, or you have a project in mind, because yeah, it's October, it's fall, it's time to get artsy. So remember, guys, you make a difference in my life and to other people. Be kind, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.